Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today, guys, we got a lot to talk about. Ethereum is looking like it wants to absolutely break out, and this is something that we predicted on the channel. In fact, I'm going to show you guys the clip of the exact moment where I made this prediction. I said, you long support, you short resistance, and we had an opportunity to long support for Ethereum, one that we called out yesterday on the channel that I'm going to share with you today. But we're also going to look at the potential future upside for Ethereum. Solana is cooling off right now. Bitcoin is just kind of hanging in there. In the meantime, some BRC-20 tokens are going to the moon. A lot of volatility in there, but this is kind of a new economy within Bitcoin that is coming out. And we've seen a lot of big movers. So I want to talk a little bit about that, as well as some of the other ecosystems that I'm peeking at. And we do have some conversations going on from some of the largest investors in the space right now, one of them being Cathie Wood. And we're going to get her take on exactly what might happen when the spot Bitcoin ETF is launched. And you might be surprised what her thoughts are on this. So guys, if you like this content and you're joining us for yet another live stream, smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. I'm sick today. My little niece, my little 7-month-old niece had a little sickness, and I think I got it. Either that or my wife's aunt. Either way, I don't regret it. It was nice spending some time with my family. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well, though I'm feeling a little under the weather today. But what's bringing me back, guys? It is the crypto markets. As always, forgot to do the old screen share there, but look at Solana. Retracing the top 3 trending things right now are Solana projects. Solana, Anolos, Solana spelled backwards, and Bonk. All down on the day. Just an inevitable retracement, really, guys. An inevitable retracement for the Solana ecosystem, which has been doing spectacularly well. Today, though, Bitcoin dominance is lower as well. We do have altcoins rallying. Ethereum is ticking up slowly. You just see Ethereum at $2,352, up 7% on the day, which is pretty darn good. Ooh, I got a sore throat. That's tough. Yeah, so Ethereum's doing pretty well. I'm going to take you guys through. Let me actually just do it really quick. So this is something that I showed on the channel yesterday, and this was my comments on Ethereum, and man, I guess I nailed it. This is a nice bounce to see. Let's look down at the hourly candles. Look at this. A wick and two green candles coming after. Maybe we can get some recovery action here, but I know that people see this and go, boom, okay, it's over. And it might be. I mean, we might come back down into this channel. If we do, altcoins are going to get rocked. The overall market cap's going to come back down. Bitcoin's going to spill over as well, but Bitcoin is not spilling over yet. Again, we're getting a nice move back up. This is good to see. I don't have like a key triangle drawn for Bitcoin right now. If I were to draw one, let's see here. Let's see what we got here on the weekly time frame. We kind of have some kind of thing forming. You know what? That wasn't even the clip. I have a clip in here where I was talking about this triangle on Ethereum, and basically my hypothesis on it was, guys, is with this triangle on Ethereum, this was yesterday, okay? I was saying at some point in the stream, and I didn't pick the exact moment, we're going to bounce off this level, and you long resistance, or excuse me, long support, and you short resistance. Well, this was the opportunity, the bounce off support. And I was saying the same thing because I was talking about Crocoin earlier in that stream as well. And with the Cronos chart, we're in a very similar position where Cronos wanted to bounce off its key levels as well. Anyway, guys, you know what? I picked the wrong moment, unfortunately, but I wanted to show you guys that this is the move. That's where we were when I recorded that video yesterday. And this is where we moved up to, and this is something that I said was a strong possibility. I didn't pull the exact clip, unfortunately, but I did say that yesterday, and here we are. And if we get a breakout above this $2,400 mark, altcoins can absolutely start to rally. Wow, I picked the wrong clip there, guys. Sorry. Anyway, Bitcoin is doing well today. Just hanging on. Nothing crazy. I did draw this triangle during that stream. I crafted it right then and there. And this triangle is pretty strong, really. I mean, it came right up kind of off that. I wouldn't be surprised if we stalled out again at 44,300. But if Ethereum can break through and Bitcoin can break through, we can really get some continuation up. I would expect to see Solana to recover. I would expect to see Bonk eventually to recover. Honestly, Bonk is so far down. Anybody looking to pick up on some Bonk, this is a nice retracement, guys. This is a nice retracement. Now, could we break down below this? Absolutely. It's certainly possible. But this is certainly a nice retracement for Bonk. If you took some profits up in these areas, you did a great job, guys. I think that a lot of meme tokens are going to get another day in the sun, but I think the Memecoin rally, it's safe to say the Memecoin rally for now is a little bit over exhausted. Even in Cronos, let's see if, with this Cronos bounce, if Corgi AI can continue to move up, which, by the way, Corgi AI was just launched on Solana as well, and you can now deposit and move money around on Solana addresses for Corgi AI, which is pretty interesting. But I do think that the Memecoin rallies are pausing for now. In the meantime, Cronos is taking a nice bounce off this bottom half of this triangle as well. I was saying this corresponded beautifully with this. This bounce off this level, $2,100 for Ethereum, was very, very similar in my mind to this bounce of 9.6 cents for Cronos. And that's what I was saying yesterday, guys. So far that is playing out. Let's look at some of what the big movers are on the day. XRP right now is up 4%, doing all right. XRP is definitely lagging behind. A lot of people are waiting for a big move here, and we just quite haven't seen it so far. Hans, good morning. Benny Blue Eyes, good morning. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome. We're looking for some more breakouts. XRP is certainly due for a pump, but it's been lagging behind, still on trial. So they're still going through their court case. Maybe that's something we need to see resolved before that thing gets an explosion. Cardano, a lot of people in my life that aren't really crypto people are bullish on Cardano, which makes me think, I know there's a lot of crypto people that are bullish on Cardano, but there's also a lot of non-crypto people that are bullish on Cardano, and they might just ape into it. So I'm going to keep an eye on this. I definitely want to get more of a position in the Cardano, Avalanche, and Solana ecosystem. Obviously, I'm heavy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cronos. I want to get into Solana, Avalanche, and Cardano as well, more with some of the capital that I have coming in, some of the profits that I've been taking from some of my other plays. I'll give you guys an update of where my bags are at and what my trading portfolio is like here in a bit. But let's look at some of the big movers. Dogecoin right now, 4%, not really anything crazy. Shiba, 4%. Let's look at the big gains in the last 24 hours. Optimism back up to the top of the charts. Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Silver, a fork of Bitcoin. I'm not a fan of buying these forks. Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Silver, Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Classic. I don't like buying any of those. I just like buying Bitcoin and Ethereum. They get pumps, guys, but I just don't like buying these speculative forks of Bitcoin or Ethereum. West Texas Cryptos added again, gifting yet another membership to another person in the chat. Duffy Newman, welcome to the Crypto Report member community. If you want access to our private Discord, congratulations. You have it, my friend, now that you are a member. If you want to continue being a member, you got to go sign up on your own. But you get a free month of being a member. You get access to the private Discord. Just link your Discord to your YouTube account, and you are in. John316, good morning, my friend. Good morning. Optimism is looking pretty darn good right now. This thing's absolutely rallying like crazy. Rank number 24 and climbing. Could this thing be a competitor to Solana and Avalanche? Absolutely, guys. You have no idea what the biggest chains will be. The truth is Terra Luna was a good example. Terra Luna came out of nowhere in the last bull cycle. Terra Luna also is a good example of something that you thought was going to be spectacular, and it totally collapsed and died because the founder was terrible. So you got to do the research. I still have a lot of research to do on Optimism and Arbitrum, which is doing spectacular today as well. But again, these are layer one solutions competitors to Ethereum. Astar. What is Astar? Let's see what Astar is. I bet you it's another layer one competitor, and it's a small one. Let's see what it is. Oh, it helps us build decentralized apps in layer 2s. Very interesting. So this is a project to help build more layer 2s, which is what Ethereum actually needs. So a lot of people think that layer 2s for Ethereum are going to be big projects in this next cycle. And I can definitely get behind that because Ethereum, people are very, very bullish on it. And it needs layer 2 solutions to continue to thrive, y'all. It does. Let's look at the biggest gainers in the last 7 days. Optimism still up there. Astar, a lot of the same names. Polygon's finally getting its move up 32%. Guys, this is something that we predicted. I said Polygon was due for a pump, and here it is. Ordinals is something we've been bullish on for a while. Let's see what some of the biggest losers are over the last 7 days. Helium, one that's absolutely been explosive lately. Bonk, Beam, Caspa, all the tokens that everybody was so bullish on. They're all coming back and retracing. That's just how it goes. Even Avalanche is pretty high up there. Things cool off. That's just crypto, guys. Good morning, Legacy Legendsman Hans. I will check out Dent for you, my friend. Stinky Monkey in the chat. I'm going to call you Stinky Monkey because your name's too long. Good to see everybody. But yes, Ethereum is making a move up towards this level. If we can get a breakout above 2,400, that would be spectacular. Cronos looking good. Let's get a break above 10 cents, and we can take another chance at... I'm going to move this little box for us now. Let's just move this box a little bit here. How do I move this thing? Oops. I want to move this box. Let's see. I don't even know how to move the box. All right, well, that's good enough. Our next level up here on this box is going to be somewhere over here. That's probably where we're going to be meeting in the middle. Definitely not back there. So I think the target range is right around here. And so if I'm right, we're looking at a breakout. Ooh, that would be spectacular. Right at the new year. What's possible is we get up to this level around the new year and then kind of come back down in the beginning of January, bounce back up again. I mean, at the very latest, this thing's going to coil to the end here and really make its decision right around the spot Bitcoin ETF, which is allegedly going to be launched in January of 2024, January 10th. The overall market cap's looking nice right now, guys. We're looking like we're due for a breakout on the overall market cap. Let me know, guys, is the stream a little better today? Are we less laggy? I know we had some lag. I lowered the latency for us. That should have helped, guys, and we should have a little quicker back and forth on the dialogue. But the overall market cap's looking good, guys. If we got a breakout above this $6.3 trillion level, whoo, I would be so excited to see the Cronos ecosystem, the BRC-20 ecosystem, a lot of these different ecosystems, Avalanche, Optimism, all these ecosystems that, you know, we've been talking about. The overall market cap breaks out, so are they, my friends. So are they. They will move. I've got an achy body right now. I'm sick. I've got a sore throat. I've got cramping in my spine, but we are still talking about these crypto charts today. I'll tell you guys, we are relentless with the crypto content. Let's talk about this, though. Michael Saylor is absolutely crushing it, and he is buying more and more Bitcoin. Everybody wanted to doubt Michael Saylor, guys. Everybody said, Michael Saylor's an idiot. His big Bitcoin bet's dumb. It's not going to work. It's a failure. Same thing with El Salvador. At the end of the day, the people that bought the Bitcoin, they are doing the most successful when it comes to their gains. They're making a lot of money. MicroStrategy picks up another $615 million worth of Bitcoin, 14,000 Bitcoin. You know what? I think I bought 14,000 Bitcoin the other day. Oh, wait, no, I'm not a gazillionaire. I can't afford 14,000 Bitcoin, but it would be spectacular if I could. And heck, if I could afford it, I would buy it. I love his strategy here. And you know what? It's working beautifully. CNBC is reporting that Bitcoin's 2023 rally, which was spectacular, guys, drove some of the biggest gains in the stock market. And what are they highlighting here? Marathon Digital, Coinbase, MicroStrategy, and Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. All things that we've been talking about for the last year. You would easily be up 300% on your money if you've been following this channel for the last 365 days, my friends. And I'm not a financial advisor. We don't give financial advice here, but we are speculating on a very, very volatile and very, very bullish market, bullish in our opinion, because we see that institutions are going to get into this. And the companies that are investing in cryptocurrency are performing the best. Is that not a sign of things to come? People are saying Coinbase is the next Amazon now. I believe it. I believe it. And I'm expecting it. Also notice crypto.com advertising on CNBC. Another reason to be bullish. Here you go. Crypto.com talking about NFTs, talking about their options, advertising their products. That's good to see if you're a Cronos holder, guys. We are looking forward to pro-crypto companies and gains in the traditional market on those pro-crypto companies that get Bitcoin and crypto exposure. Now, Cathie Wood is a huge Bitcoin and crypto bull. And you might be surprised to see this, y'all. You might be surprised to see this. ARK's Cathie Wood sees short-term effect of spot Bitcoin ETFs as sell the news. And so we've been talking about this a lot, guys. Is the spot Bitcoin ETF going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news event. And I'll tell you, Cathie Wood believes it will be a sell the news event. And I have an itch about it too. I do feel like that makes the most sense because of just the way that life kind of works with markets. We see buy the rumor, sell the news events all the time. But also there's a case to be made. The billions and trillions of dollars that have been waiting for the opportunity to get into crypto and go through this green light, there's an argument to be made that this is the big green light, guys. This is the big green light. I don't know. Let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it plays out. But Cathie Wood is a short-term bear. And honestly, guys, what does that mean? If you have cash on the sidelines, be on the lookout for a dip. I bet a lot of people already used all their cash because they were FOMOing in, and that's just how crypto goes. But you know what? I'm just dollar cost averaging myself. Through the fall of 2024, I will continue to buy aggressively because look what's happening across the globe. Nigeria is lifting its ban on bank accounts for crypto firms. CoinDesk is reporting this could lead to a usage surge. I can't talk. I'm sick. I'm having a tough time. Sorry, guys. Pan-African crypto exchange Yellow Card has said it'll seek licensing in the country. We've got a lot of moves going on in a variety of countries. There's Nigeria talking pro-crypto. We recently had a spot crypto ETF conversation going on from Hong Kong regulators as well. As we know, Gary Gensler and the SEC, as corrupt as they might be, are about to launch a spot Bitcoin ETF here in the US. It's all pointing in one direction, guys, and that's up. But there's some volatilities in here. Let's take a peek at some of the previous historical moves for crypto and Bitcoin. Now, our previous bull cycles occurred in the following years, guys. 2016 was a big year for crypto, okay? It really started at the end of 2015. 2015 is to the 2017 bull market as 2023 is to the 2025 bull market, if that makes sense. So I like to think of 2015 as a good example of what happened really this year, except arguably we had a little more green this year because 2015, big red month, green, little red months, big green, decent green, big red, and then a couple big green months. September was a little bit weak. Then 2016 came along, a little bit of a dip, little mix, 20% down 5%, and then a lot of green months. Then it's bull market, bull market, bull market, bull market. Keeps going into this winter. And then 2018, January, that's the end of the bull market. Now we're in a bear market, okay? And then it hits a bottom and then starts rallying back up, okay? And then you've got another rally here. Now 2019 is the beginning of the next bull market. You see some moves upward, a little cool off, big upward moves, bull market, bull market, bull market. And then this is the end of the bull market right here, December and January of 2021 and 2022, okay? Then, all of a sudden, okay, we go down, continue going down. Now we're at the depths of the bear market, and then the spot Bitcoin ETF news comes out, and then all of a sudden, kaboom, we rally this entire year, guys. We rallied this whole year through all the hype about, excuse me, I got my timeline wrong. Here, and then the FTX clap, that collapse causes the bottom. Then January, Sam Bankman-Fried is probably going to jail at this point. We're kind of aware of that. And then we're waiting for trial in October. But this whole year, all that anybody's talking about, FTX news is over. Now we're just talking about spot Bitcoin ETF. And so we had a really nice year. But 2023 is going to be very similar to 2015. We're going to have a 3-year period of crypto kind of going up. This is really the year of 2023 is the year of recovering from a bear market. 2020 and accumulation. 2024 is the year of accumulation and the bull market getting really explosive with some extreme volatility in it. And then 2025 is where we get parabolic mania and the peak of the bull market if history repeats itself at all. Now, we've had 4 green months in a row. I wouldn't be surprised to see a red January. We've had 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. January is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these out of the 11 were green, and 6 of them were red. Historically, the average percentage gain in January is 3.6%. But then again, we had a 40% gain here in January. Really, actually, even back in 2013, arguably, this wasn't a spectacular January. I mean, compared to the 170% gains and the 500% gains, I mean, it was a good February or January back in the day. But I'm going to tell you guys, this isn't a great thing to look at necessarily to exactly predict what happens next. But this just kind of gives you an idea that things heat up, they cool off. You can kind of look at some of the previous stretches that we've had and some of the years leading up to the peak year for crypto and get some ideas. So, gotta take care of that. I'm getting sicker by the second. I'm collapsing. I've been talking a lot about BRC-20 tokens lately, guys, and BRC-20 tokens are doing pretty darn well. Here are my holdings in BRC-20 right now. I'm going to share this with you guys. I'm at $13,000 invested in the Alex Labs platform within my a couple different wallets that I have here. I've got the Leather wallet. I've got the Unisat wallet that are connected to this platform. You can see that right here. I've got my Unisat wallet connected here, my Leather wallet connected here. Now, if you go buy things on Unisat, I'm going to show you guys this because I just learned this today. Well, I just finally got it working today. I learned this the other day, but I finally got it working today. As you can see, these are the tokens that I have in my Leather wallet, okay? Now, if I wanted to connect my Unisat wallet and bridge over the BRC-20 tokens that I have in my Unisat wallet, I can actually do that now. So you can see that here. Now, we've been talking a lot about my my holdings in ordinals recently, and it was a little bit confusing. It's kind of hard to transfer these things around. Well, the easiest solution is what's in my ordinals wallet is also my Unisat wallet. Those are linked. And so what this is really is my holdings in my Unisat wallet. So I linked my Unisat wallet to Alex, and now I can just bridge them over. But I need Bitcoin in order to do it, and that's what I'm going to do because it's going to be a lot easier to trade them on the Stacks chain than it is on the Bitcoin chain, in my opinion. And there's a lot of other tokens that I want to get in this ecosystem as well. And so I could take some of the profits from here, like from Sats, which has done over 1,000x for me this year, which has been crazy. And I can kind of move into some of these other tokens that I'm bullish on in this ecosystem. But if you try to bridge it right now, again, I don't have any Bitcoin in this wallet, so it's not going to work. It would cost me a couple stats that I just don't have right now. So it's kind of where I'm at. But I am bullish on these tokens, guys. Sats has been doing really well, kind of hanging out up there. Ordinals has been incredible for us as well. If you guys have been following these plays and making money, then I'm very, very happy for you. Now, right now, we don't have a lot of liquidations going on, but the next big move coming from Bitcoin, you're going to see a big liquidation, guys. And I'm going to tell you this. Kathy Wood is right. And we are going to be getting a spot Bitcoin ETF sell the news event. Then you are going to see some insane volatilities here, and some big time leverage traders that are bulls are probably going to get wrecked. What could happen as well is a lot of people that are anticipating the sell the news event could short Bitcoin in anticipation of that. And the opposite could be true. We could just explode through and the shorts could get wrecked. And that would be spectacular because then our coins could all pump. And really, I'd love to see that. We got 39 viewers right now, 14 likes. Do me a favor, guys, if you enjoy the content and the theories here we're kind of spitting out for you, smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. We're doing these live streams every single weekday, even when we're sick, even during the holiday season, because that's how crazy we are. Looking at CoinGecko, guys, I want to show you guys an update on the Cronos ecosystem, which I am very bullish on. We can look through all the ecosystems, which I'm going to do here, actually, now that I kind of saw that really easy-to-use tab there. Corgi AI is cooled off. I'll tell you guys, I actually sold all my Corgi AI, and I'm taking a chance on Minted right now, which is doing okay. It's up 139% over the last 7 days, cooling off right now. But given the low market cap on this token and the fact that you can also do Ethereum NFTs on the Minted NFT platform within Cronos, and that it's gotten a rally lately, and the fact we've seen a lot of people buying this Corgi AI token and making gains, I think people are going to start taking profits. Now, Corgi AI could have another explosion today, and so I might shuffle some money back into this here, actually, like as soon as I get off the stream, honestly, potentially, guys, because this was just made accessible on Solana, and it looks like it wants to continue moving up. If you just take a peek at this chart, we got some sharp reversal going on today. It's trying to attempt that high again, but then again, that looks like it might be a tough level. We see Bonk retracing right now. We see all the other meme coins retracing, so I'm just a little scared to be in Corgi AI just right now because I think it's a little overpumped at this point. Only reason I'm saying that, and my opinion changed so quickly on that, is because I'm watching all the other meme coins fall down. And as all the other meme coins are falling down, I just think that maybe meme coins are a little bit tired for the moment. I'm still bullish on Bonk. I'm still bullish on Corgi AI. And again, I'm going to look at this. I might grab a little bit more of this again here. I am trading. What I'm doing is very risky. What I'm doing right now is very, very risky, guys. I'm trading a lot. I've got my holding portfolio, I've got my trading portfolios, and I am trading like a madman right now, but it's done very, very well for me, especially in the Cronos ecosystem. I turned about $8,000 into what is right now about $13,500, and that's doing pretty well for me. I was up to about 15. Minted is retracing a little bit. Corgi AI retraced a little bit, so that's just kind of where we're at right now, but I'll keep you guys updated on my progress there. Just because, you know, those are some of the plays I'm making. Now, if you're a newcomer to the space and you're interested in these projects, I highly recommend, if you are interested in these projects and you're not aware of what you're doing and you're just chasing gains and you're a newbie, then trading's probably not the move for you, and maybe just holding is the best option. I say it all the time, DCA hodl, and I do believe in that strategy, and I've done that through this entire bear market. But as things are getting more volatile, there are opportunities for savvy traders to make some good money, and so that's what I'm trying to do right now. I am trying to make some extra money, accumulate some more Bitcoin, and so far I've been doing it. Kip is sick of all this red. I am sick of all this red. I got a sore throat because we want more green. No, we've had a lot of green. We've had a lot of green, Shy Sox fan. I'll tell you that, brother. Good morning, Vasaka Norjan. I don't know how to say your name, brother. Sushi Satoshi. Happy holidays, guys. I hope you're doing well. I was DMing Sushi a little bit over the holiday. We played, I was playing a little Mobile Legends last night, Sushi. Thinking of you, trying to get on your level, brother. Yes, Shy Sox fan, you beat me to it in the chat. Corgi AI listed on Solana. Very big news for Corgi AI. It could get a big move because of that today, guys. If a bunch of these crazy meme junkies on Solana get into this Corgi AI token, I don't even think they're going to realize that it's on Cronos. They're going to say, oh, it's another Solana meme. Be ready for that. Just be ready for the Solana community to pounce on and just get a crazy boost out of Corgi. That could happen. We could also get a big cool off for Corgi as well. You know, we'll see how it plays out, guys. We'll see how it plays out. Vuli says, my wallet is close to being in the green. Close, but no cigar. That's all right. Vuli, you'll figure it out, brother. It's a long bull market ahead. We'll get some money. Stinky Monkey says, any is a buy before it explodes. I don't know what that means, but exactly. Oh, let's see here. Hans asked, C19? No, my friend. I don't know what it is. I have an aunt on my wife's side that had the flu, and I have a brother-in-law and a niece that have not the vids, my friend. Oh, any is a stock? What is any? Let's look at it. Let's check it out. Any stock. What does it have to do? Sphere 3D Corp. Does this have something to do with crypto? Let's see the stock. We look at stocks here too. Well, it is way down. Woo. Let's see what the stock is, huh? What is any? Engaging the precision solutions for standalone storage and technologies. Get out of here, all these little ads. Storage and technologies that converge the traditional silos of computation, storage, and network into one integrated, hyper-converged solution. It offers call centers, education, healthcare. Interesting. Does this have something to do with blockchain? Where'd this come from? Stocks. We like stocks. I'll keep an eye on Sphere. Why not? Looks low. Looks like Coinbase stock before it exploded. Can you check Pepe ETH on Gecko or Gecko Terminal? Pepe. What is Pepe? I never heard of that. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I'll try to pull this up for you guys. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you're thinking. What coins you want me to look at. There's a lot of Peped coins. No, I'm not going to look at that. Sorry, brother. Sorry, Muhammad. I don't even know which one's which, so there's a lot of tickers for it. I mean, it could be this one. $194,000 market cap. Not even going to show it on the screen. I don't want my community to buy a bunch of these memes right now. I'll tell you, I just don't think it's a good move. I think, I didn't do very well on the Solana memes, and I'm no dummy. And I'll tell you, the memes are gambling. So get some true bags. Corgi AI is a meme, but that's a true token for the Cronos ecosystem, which I think is going to cool off at some point. We could have some more upside now that it's on Solana as well. But I took all my Corgi AI off the table. I just took it off the table literally like last night at midnight. Let's see what else we got here. Check Altcoin. Yeah, I don't know. See, those are hard to find. These small coins, I don't know, guys. I just don't know. I'll tell you what I am bullish on, though. Still waiting for a big explosion on this Alex Labs token. Last night I saw a huge wick up to 48 cents for this thing. It was crazy. I think this token's going to be huge. $219 million market cap. First decentralized exchange on Bitcoin. It's finally getting some exchange listings. Quite a few, actually. So that's good to see. Increasingly so, and I think this thing's going to get a lot of volume here at some point, especially when Bitcoin explodes. I have not tried the DeFi Arcade, my friend. Shy Sox fan, good question. No, but what chain is that on? Let me know. Well, guys, I am not feeling too well today. I am struggling. Oh, Any is a mining stock. Very cool. I'll check that out. Thank you very much, Stinky Monkey. Corgi AI dropping volume. I would assume it's a good cool off. Yeah, I was kind of seeing the volume cool off on Corgi AI too. Now that it's on Solana, maybe that changes. Let's see how it plays out. But guys, I got to go rest up. I'm not feeling too well today. I wanted to get you guys a stream, give you guys a little bit of an insight as to some of the moves that I'm looking at. The big move on the day, really, and the big thing to look out for in the next 24 to 48 hours, guys, it's this right here. It is Ethereum. It is Ethereum versus this channel that it's in. If we can break above 2,400 in a big way, Ethereum can continue to break out. We could see a big move for Cronos as well, which would be absolutely spectacular. I'm thinking, we're going to take a chance at this level sometime before, right when we're ringing in the new year, hopefully. And hopefully we can just start off January 1st with a massive explosion for this coin, guys. That is all I got. I got to go do some bed rest, guys. Got more videos for you coming later today. I promise we'll never stop because crypto's never going to stop. Crypto never sleeps, and neither do we here. Carlito, my friend, you just missed it. Rewind, and we'll see you in the next one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL. I'll see you next time. Peace. I'm going to go drink some tea and eat some soup. Bye.